Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Monopoly Go and log in using your user credentials. Now, after logging into Monopoly Go, you will see this page that is the Monopoly Go's dashboard. Here, you'll have to simply click on the friends icon at the bottom right side of the screen and you will see this page. On this page, click on this share icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, when you click on share, you will see different options and platforms to share Monopoly Go link. So, in order to share Monopoly Go link on Facebook, click on the Facebook icon from this and choose whether you want to share it to the newsfeed or your groups. So choose newsfeed and it is going to open up Facebook on your mobile phone. We'll have to just make sure your profile is selected and it is set at public. After this, click on next, and when you click on next, your link from Monopoly Go would be successfully sent on Facebook. So that's the simple way to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.